Good, tall. Good, strong. Excuse me. And who might you be?
Oh, Tomoko Nogata of Tochikawa Nogatas. Oh, and is this your lovely wife?
Doctor?
Yes, sir.
What's the story here with Fu Manchu?
Fu Manchu. I don't have a Fu Manchu.
I'm talking about the stir-fried shrimp from out of town.
Oh, he's with the Tochikawa Highway Patrol, part of an international exchange program, here to study our methods.
I'm not teaching my cadets how to use a wok. You ship him off to Lesage, he'll fit in perfectly over there. He could use a good sushi chef. No offense, eh?
Arigato. Thank you.
Kiss my what?